Hi everyone, today we will learn how to add a macro and how to use it into TrueTemplate. So I am assuming that you have already installed TrueTemplate, and if you don't, I will make a separate video after that. So now go to plugins and TrueTemplate. Then first thing is we have to create a template. So we go to templates and I made a folder CP template and you just create your own. So now I will create a folder. Let's call it YouTube video. So now go to this folder and create a file called my macro. So one thing you have to notice that the encoding should be changed. So you have to use UTF-16 encoding. So hit shift and F8 and select the UTF-16 Little Indian. So after that I will create a function void hello. Hi. That's it. So save this and remember this is my template and this is in template YouTube video and my Mac. I forgot, so I missed AR, so it's okay. Now go to the source. So here you can see the true source base.xml. You have to edit this XML file. So hit F4 to edit that. First thing is you can see expand name macros, and here you have to give a macro name. So how to do it? You have to type backslash, then this character, I don't know what it is called. So now first thing I give my macro and equal my macro. So this is how you have to name the macro, and after that you have to give a path for this macro. So I will copy paste something. You can also copy paste it from your file manager or TrueTemplate. You will find almost same. So now you can see that what name we provided here, my macro. I will give the name here, and this is the pattern we want when we type the macro. So pattern I will give try macro, and after that I will give in try macro. This is the pattern. You will see it how it works. After that, if you remember the path name, I have the folder called templates and then YT video and then my macro. I missed an R for this file. So if it is correct, let's save it and go to another section and create a file. So create a sol.cpp file. So this is my template, and if I type now try macro, and this is it. So you can see the macros have come, and so this is it for now. Hit like and a sub to the channel would be great if you are benefited from this video. Thank you.